Joe. I'm in my 4th year of accounting and finance. Last year I did an industrial placement. I chose Swansea University for a few reasons. First reason was the amount of support I received even before I came, just about deciding what uni I wanted. Secondly was the new campus, Bay campus. It really attracted me to Swansea. It's like your own sort of small community, which really excited me, and it's all new buildings, the library's lovely. Thirdly was the atmosphere just around Swansea. It's a very student city. You make a lot of great friends, and it's really a great place to live. Even in 2nd and my 4th year, living in town with fellow students is really interesting. My course in particular, accounting and finance, applies theoretical studies to real-world problems, which I fortunately got taken in my industrial placement last year. I got to apply those studies and see the real progression throughout the year, and learn a lot about accounting and finance, which I can take forward into graduate schemes and so forth. So I was a finance intern at GE Aviation up in Cheltenham. Throughout the year I took part in my own 6-month audit, which I got to lead, plan and do everything and oversee myself. Other duties included holding my own account and then seeing some more specific accounting things like booking journals, and then the more intern-y things, so booking meetings and just sort of your first experience of a real job rather than part-time work. My plans after graduation are to become fully qualified, hopefully through one of the big 4 accountancy firms. Need to start applying soon. Yeah, and on the same sort of line, I feel that just in the last few years, with Swansea becoming more employable in the top 10 employability and things like that, that's really sort of definitely attracted me to come to Swansea. And it was the same with the new Bay campus. It's knowing that I was going to be on a new campus and sort of be the first ones here, and really sort of make my mark on Swansea. I felt was a real selling point for Swansea, for sure.